Hi guys, let's see how to add a pop-up calendar date picker in Google Sheet. So let's say you want to add a date using a pop-up calendar for a single cell. Then you can do it easily by double clicking on any cell and just typing @date, clicking on date, and a pop-up calendar will be there. But what if you want to make a pop-up calendar on every cell, that whenever someone double click on it, he can choose a particular date. So in that case, what you can do, just select the whole column. You can also start it with a heading. Now select the whole column, click on data and click on data validation, click on add rule, click on criteria and select is valid date. Okay. Here one more thing which you can do is, if you have added a header at C1, then you should start from C2. Okay. And if the data is invalid, just select reject the input, click on done. Now that's it. Whenever someone will double click here, he or she will be able to select any date. Thanks for watching. Please do like,